Robinhood, which still remain one of the biggest crypto exchange crypto company in the US. The truth is, Robinhood will one day list Terra Classic, and that is happening maybe this year, before the end of this year or early next year. Okay, because already themselves, they are planning to massively list a lot of coin. That's the proposal. Some actually proposed to Robinhood to list at least top 50 or top 100 crypto coins. Okay, because Robinhood is one of the popular, well-known exchange that have just few coins. Okay, but they believe that if there is nothing else, the top 50 or top 100 crypto coin deserve to be listed by at least 99% exchanges or 100% exchanges. They merit to be at the top 100. So we have thousands of crypto coins. There are over thousands of crypto coins, and at least the top 100 with the highest market cap, with the highest trading volume, with the highest money being invested by people, means these coins are doing well. These coins are separate. These coins have really done their homework, so they deserve to be listed among almost all crypto exchange. And I think I buy the ideas. Oh, you say yes. For Terra Classic, is still ranked among the top 75 crypto coins with the highest market cap, and I think Terra Classic deserve to be listed on Robinhood. Yet if you ask me, and so many other coins too deserve to be listed on Robinhood. They need to show this, because we believe that crypto industry have come to say crypto industry will keep on growing. Crypto industry will even grow fast if these exchanges work mostly with the coins developers, and if they can get the top 100 in almost all the exchanges, the market volume, okay, of these coins will increase. Definitely the market volume, the market cap of all crypto coins in general is going to pump. There's so many coins. There are some exchanges that have not listed, but if they list these coins, it will see that it will drive more of their customers, more of their community to even buy these coins. Some people might not, maybe they didn't want to buy and invest this coin, but because their exchange listed this coin, you might see them decide to invest, even though it's a little amount on these coins. So it will help to push crypto industry, crypto market cap higher. This is why I believe that yes, if this can happen, it is going to make us proud. If this can happen, we all are going to shine. For me, Terra Classic is still one of the biggest crypto coin, but whatever, I believe that the future is good for Terra Classic and other crypto coin. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.